Look at them. They ain't got no shame. They don't even know what that word is. Look here. Jumping on my clone. My cherry tomato clone that grew up so beautiful. What you getting? I know what you're getting. I know what you're getting. Look at him on the top, getting the big ones. Boy. We're gonna go to the next one. Oh hell. There wasn't nothing good on that one. We're gonna check on this one. This one got some Juliet's on it, a little bit bigger. I think he likes this one a little bit more. Oh hell, look at you. Look at you. Oh snap, look at his friend over there with the white belly sticking out. Oh yeah, he's like, oh, you brought me one too? Cool, cool. I didn't want to go over there anyway. Here's the thing, if I stand up, they'll stop what they're doing and look at me. And if I take a couple steps forward, they'll run over there in that tree. That's funny. Wish I could get a closer view, but if I do, they'll run off.